In Capitola, there was this little shop, like whatever, little toy shop, and it had this giant teddy bear, and I would go and curl up in its lap, like I swear to God, like every time we went in there. Hi, Maya.
Wow. Look at that.
No, turn it back up.
Look.
Oh, mwah.
Yay! Yay!
Peekaboo.
Is that your new buddy, dude?
Look.
Mine?
Where'd he go?
Where's Dad?
Mine?
Where'd he go?
Peekaboo.
Whoa!
Peekaboo.
Moose is gonna get mommy.
Peekaboo.
She's like, I'm not really sure whether to be enthralled or scared.
Mwah.
You like it?
Mwah.
Aww.
Hello.
I gotta get a good shot of how big this is.
Maya, look. Pump it, pump it. Pump it, pump it.
Yay, just like Moose.
Yay. Oh. Mwah.
Yay! Oh, look. Can you give him a kiss? Maya, you give him a kissy?
Mwah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Peekaboo. Hello.
I think you like it. Oh, there. Oh, good girl. You like your moose.